back to Big Bert, and look, the cupboard is finally in. Doesn't that look really tidy? Fits all around the tops. And fits under there as well. And then I'll go around here, look at that. I'm going to move back. That's the IKEA picture I showed you, the Ambit Fly. And look at that. Obviously PVA glued those. That was really smart, isn't it? Got storage in there. Obviously there's over the cab airing so it circulates. I don't want it to. Oh, that's the alarm system. Oh, didn't even know that was there. So yeah. Oh, that goes with a healthy like buying it opening on the drive. Like I say, this here, that's for a cat, for a puppy. And that's where the alpaca are going. The fridge is going to go there. I'm going to box it in so it lifts. So you can imagine, seat there, and a table that pulls up and goes back and covers that. Then this is going to be the garage storage area. And then it's a junk shop. And look on the IKEA bed. Coming on. The IKEA sink that I've got fitted as well. So, happy. Let's give it another satisfactory. The hinges that are going on there. I can imagine George Seagull buggered off. Yeah, satisfactory. That is definitely not going to come off or open or anything. But look at the storage in there. That is just mean. Obviously it's just going to contain big jackets and just junk. It's going to be the main junk area. So I want as much foot space in here as possible. That's flooring down. Toilet will be going behind here, all boxed in. That needs to be raised up. I'm happy with that. Very happy. Well done, Big Bert.